Looking for the best email marketing tool brands online? There are too many options and not sure what to choose. Worried with a lower budget might mean lower features or that better features means cost too much. In this review, we'll help you find that perfect balance of budget plus top-notch features with a smart decision. Some of the top email marketing tools in the world include MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailerLite, Calvio, and Brevio. We avoid Calvio and Brevio for specific reasons, which we'll explain later in the video. So keep watching to learn more. We have done all the research for you from Trustpilot, Reddit, Quora, and real world tests. And now we are comparing the top SEO tools. Brands like MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and MailerLite. Let's see a clear side-by-side comparison to help you choose with confidence. Okay, the first one is automation workflow. Let's start with automation workflows. Email isn't just about sending blast, it's about building smart sequences that nurture leads automatically. MailChimp and MailerLite provide intuitive visual automation, ConvertKit's workflows and creator friendly. ActiveCampaign leads with logic-rich advanced automation paths. Second is drag and drop editor. Next we see the drag and drop editor. Designing emails should feel like building Lego, not writing code. That's where the drag and drop editor makes a difference. MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and MailerLite offer true drag and drop editors. ConvertKit is mostly text-based with limited visual flexibility. Third one is pre-built templates. Now we look at the pre-built templates. Templates give you a head start with polished designs that saves hours of formatting. MailChimp and ActiveCampaign offer 100 plus professional templates. MailerLite provides over 50 clean designs. ConvertKit on the other hand offers fewer built-in options. Coming on the fourth point, subscriber management. Let's move to the subscriber management. A clean, organized list helps you to send the right message to the right person at the right time. ActiveCampaign has the most robust segmentation. MailChimp supports tags, segments, and groups. ConvertKit uses tags, while MailerLite combines tagging with segmentation tools. Fifth is autoresponsor. Now we check autoresponsors. Think of these as your always-on assistant, automatically sending welcome emails, confirmations, and follow-ups. All four platforms, MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and MailerLite support autoresponsors that can be triggered by subscribers' behavior. Sixth is A/B testing. Next up is A/B testing. Why? Guess what works when you can test and know. ActiveCampaign allows deep A/B testing and multivariant testing. MailChimp lets you test subject lines, content, and send time. MailerLite offers basic A/B test. ConvertKit is limited to subject line testing. Seventh, SMS and omnichannel. Now we explore SMS and omnichannel. Going beyond email means engaging users on multiple platforms wherever they are. ActiveCampaign offers SMS, Facebook, and WhatsApp via integration. MailChimp and MailerLite offer email with limited SMS options. ConvertKit lacks native SMS support. Eighth, email preview testing. Next, let's talk preview testing. Your email might look great on desktop, but how does it look on mobile or in Outlook? ActiveCampaign and MailerLite offer built-in previews. MailChimp provides this feature in its premium plan. ConvertKit does not support live preview testing. Ninth, AMP support. Now we'll highlight AMP support. AMP makes your emails interactive like forms and carousels right inside the inbox. MailChimp support AMP powered emails. ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and MailerLite do not offer AMP features. 10th is third-party integrations. Next, we'll explore integrations. The more tools your email platforms connects with, the more powerful your marketing becomes. ActiveCampaign leads with over 800 integrations. MailChimp supports 300 plus. MailerLite connects with 150 plus. ConvertKit offers around 100 popular app integrations. 11th is CRM capabilities. Now let's look at CRM features. A built-in CRM helps you track leads, manage contacts, and close sales without switching platforms. ActiveCampaign includes a full-featured CRM. MailChimp offers a basic version. ConvertKit CRM is limited. MailerLite relies on third-party CRM tools. 12th, GDPR and CAN-SPAM compliances. Next, we'll focus on compliances. Privacy laws like GDPR and CAN-SPAM are non-negotiable when emailing global audiences. All four platforms, MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and MailerLite, comply with GDPR and CAN-SPAM regulations. 13th, API access. Now we'll look at API access. For developers or tech teams, API access means limited integration and control. MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and MailerLite all offer developer-friendly APIs. 14. Free trial, free plan. Let's move on the trials and free plans. Not ready to commit? Let's see who offers test drives for forever free trials. MailChimp and MailerLite have generous free plans for up to 500 to 1000 contacts. ConvertKit has a free version as well. ActiveCampaign offers a 14-day trial only. 15. Mobile app support. Now we'll check mobile access. Can you manage your campaign on the go? MailChimp and ActiveCampaign have full apps for iOS and Android. ConvertKit supports iOS. MailerLite also supports mobile functionality. 16. Security. Now we'll highlight security. Your subscriber data deserves more than a password. It needs encryption, compliance, and two-factor authentication. MailChimp and MailerLite use TLS and support two-factor authentication. ConvertKit is GDPR ready. ActiveCampaign adds HIPAA readiness for sensitive data needs. 17. Pricing. Next we'll look at pricing. What's the starting cost if you're just getting started? MailerLite is most affordable at $10 per month. MailChimp starts at $13, ConvertKit at $15, ActiveCampaign begins at $39 per month with more features. 18th, customer rating. Finally, let's see what users say. Review gives you a feel for real experience behind the features. ActiveCampaign and MailerLite earns 4.5 stars out of 5 stars rating. MailChimp and ConvertKit each rate 4.2 out of 5 star rating based on user satisfaction. Finally, if you're curious about latest features, models, or pricing, just check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching Brand Investigation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and unique comparisons.